going to draw a bear.
Yeah, playing football. And your bears have a helmet and also a jersey. And it turned out really cool. I hope our friends are excited to follow along with us.
Yeah, this one was super fun.
Yeah. And we're using our markers to draw and color with.
But you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, like crayons or even colored pencils. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.
Let's first draw our bear's helmet. We're gonna draw a big circle in the middle of our paper towards the top. And I'm gonna draw it really big. I'm gonna draw it this size. And if you wanted to, you could use a template. My line for my circle kind of got crazy over here. But that's okay, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing is
To have fun and practice.
yeah. Oh, I like your helmet and I like your circle. Okay, we're gonna draw the details for our helmet next. We're gonna draw the opening. So we're gonna draw a line that comes up on the side and a line that comes up over here on this side too. So one on one side, one on the other side. And then we're gonna connect those together with a little curve at the top. Yes, okay, let's draw another shape just like that, but we're gonna just follow it all the way around instead of drawing the 2 lines on the side first, because we can just follow what we already drew. Yeah, that's the opening. Okay, next let's draw the mask. And we're gonna draw a curve that goes across the front. Then we're gonna draw another line right below that one. Then we're gonna draw a line that matches this one down here at the bottom. And then we're gonna draw 2 on the left and then 2 on the right to connect the top down to the bottom. Yeah, this is our little football mask so our face doesn't get smashed when we're tackling people. Okay, next let's draw our bear's nose. I'm gonna draw a little U right above the mask. And then we're gonna draw it connected at the top. And we can color that in. Next, we're gonna draw the mouth, and we can draw it curving down to the mask and then curving back up. If you want, you could make it 3D and go behind, overlap. Oh, you have more space, so you don't have to go all the way down. Oh, but I like that you did. Perfect. Okay, next let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle and a circle, or an oval. And then we could also draw our little highlight or the small circle inside to make the eyes shiny. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And if we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, we always like to remind them just in case they forget. I bet they never forget. If they go too fast, I bet they say, pause it, pause it.
Pause it, pause
Yeah.
it. Too much.
Too fast.
Too fast.
Too fast.
Too fast.
Especially when we fast forward it and our hands are going like this. Yeah. It's way too fast to follow. Next, let's turn our drawing into a bear. It just kind of looks like an animal with a helmet. Let's give them our bear ears. We're going to draw one over here and then a matching one over here. And then we could also draw a small upside down U inside for the center or the inside of the ear. Yes. Let's also give our helmet a design. We could draw a stripe right down the middle. Also, our art friends could change their helmet and also the colors when we get to coloring to match their favorite football team. You could change it. And so if your football team doesn't have a stripe down the middle, you could leave that off. Okay, next let's draw our bear's jersey and body. So we're gonna start on this left and also the right. We're gonna draw the side of our bear's body, and I'm leaving a little space underneath the chin. So we're not connecting all the way because this is the armpits. And then we're gonna draw the arms next. We're gonna draw big arms because our bear has shoulder pads on. So we draw a curve out for the sleeve and then back in. Yeah, and then let's draw a matching shoulder and sleeve on this side. Then let's draw the bottom of the jersey connecting across the waist. Oh, let's also give our jerseys some designs by adding another line at the bottom of the sleeves. Yep, and the other side. Then we're gonna draw our bear's paws or hands. We're gonna draw a curve coming out of the sleeve and connecting to the waist, and then same thing over here. Whoa, this one got bigger. Why is this? My left hand is smaller than my right hand.
Oh no.
That's okay. All right. Let's draw a little thumb on the left and also on the right. Yes. Okay, next let's draw our bear's legs. We're gonna draw a line right here in between the legs. Then we're gonna draw a short line down, 2 of them. This is for the inside of the legs. Then we're gonna draw the feet curving around and connecting to the inside line, and the same thing over here.
Mine got a little bit too short over here.
That's okay, you can make it longer, and then you could draw it coming around. Yes. Nice job. Then let's draw 2 toe lines on our bear's feet. We did it! We finished our cool little football player, except we still need to
Color.
Yes, we need to pick our favorite team colors, and also we could draw a number right here for the jersey, and maybe we have a favorite player and their number is number 1. But you could add whatever number. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring our little bears and they turned out awesome. I love that your colored yours pink. And we added a number 1, and yours is kind of 1-ish and kind of 2-ish.
It's a 2 and a 1.
A 2 and a 1 combined.
Yes.
I love it. It's my favorite number ever. You can pause the video right now to match your same coloring, but I think it would be really cool if you change the colors. You could also add a complete background. We just added a little shadow down here using our green marker, which also makes it look like he's standing on grass, or she's standing on grass.
You could draw other football players.
Yeah, that would be way cool. You could draw them smaller because they're off in the background. And you could also draw football.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.